going to show you. Check how volatile the numbers came over the past month. Distribution that you have. Don't panic, I told you.
Hi, my name is Behairy. I conduct financial training programs, financial consultancy and financial modeling in different countries around the world, from as far as Hong Kong to the United States of America. The remarks that our clients give us indicate that we have the best quality worldwide of training programs that are really impactful. Training programs that upskill our delegates to the level that corporate life requires. I have a message to all of our previous clients and our prospective clients. Keep on investing in yourself and invest in your skills. You have to keep on learning and keep on developing. There is no room for complacency.
Actually, these are words of wisdom, so you better pay attention in class.
Interesting character with a lot of vigor, and I hope to see him again on another course.
He is very knowledgeable and passionate about the course.
He will always push you to the limit. He lets you learn, he lets you interact, he lets you ask questions, and he answers it very well. Thank you.
Yeah, he's awesome. He teaches us how to create new things.
Energetic, charismatic trainer, and I think I've learned a lot from him about financial and modeling in 1 week rather compared to like 3 years in university, honestly. Yeah.
Very detailed, and it is easily understandable, and I can relate it to my daily task.
Class is a bit crazy, you know.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
LEORON is the best!
Diligence and dedication is what I'm looking for. That's what I strive for, and that's what I provide. And we never fail the promise to provide the best quality of training all over the world. At LEORON, we care truly about our clients and their needs and requirements, and we fulfill it 100%. Truly, we change the world one course at a time.